Hello guys, good afternoon. Well, this is Bruce again from China, from Hangzhou Aoka Bike, and now we are in the process of the installation of this gasoline bike, and we're pretty much, it's pretty much finished. The engine part and the tank, and it's pretty much like that. By the way, the air filter, that's gonna be later. So this is what it is, man. This is what it is, man. It's a glorious, man. What do you think? We started from from the frame and the fork, everything, and we started from the rims, the tires. So that's our job, man. And also we've got a lot of custom job in here. The fork part is custom built, lovely, and the tank, stainless steel. And basically, we have two versions for this tank. This is it's like a round one. It's pretty much like one round one, and also we have this one. It's like this is for electric. It's like more of a rectangular one, huh? So basically, two types of the tanks, stainless steel. And also we have got some dressing up parts, this gold color parts, and this silver color. It's like fenders, stuff. They're like they're custom built. So that's something. That's what makes it all different. All right, man, so this is what I'm talking about.